Hi there, Jimmy. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about the transferring action. The transfer action is like knitting being carried out when the spring needle at the position A. In this episode, we'll just talk about how cams react with the long needle for transfer. We'll still use one column needle to demonstrate. The long needle and knitting needle reaches the vertex of the elevation. For knitting needle, send a loop to the hook of the needle on the opposite side. The action, how to get long needle and spring needle to position A. When transfer action is carried out, the knitting can is lifted, and transferring can thinks at the start of the row. In the first row, cut the spring needle at the position B. The right without knitting press can bend the spring needle and long needle down. The receiving can cannot touch the green point of the long needle. The state is on, till the other side of the receiving can. The spring needle and long needle are released by the right without knitting press can. Then the left without knitting press can bend the spring needle and long needle down, till two types of needle are released by this press can. The first row is over now. The second row is the same. Left without knitting press can bend the spring needle down. The receiving can cannot touch the long needle. The situation is on when the receiving can in the right knitting system meets the long needle, and the spring needle in this time is bent down by the right without knitting press can. At the end of this row, the spring needle is pushed from B to H, and at the start of the third row, knitting cams are lifted and transferring cams get sunk. These two don't play the role in the transferring action. The number 3 spring needle receiving cam bends the spring needle down to land at the position H. The needle is soon pushed from H to A, so the right side of the receiving can touches the green point of the long needle in this direction, pushes it to rise, till the transferring can touches another point of the long needle. Check out the knitting can. It has been lifted that cannot touch the green point of the long needle. The responsibility is onto the transfer can to touch the long needle to the vertex of the elevation for transferring action. For transferring action, the elevation is from the horizontal line, the green point original state, to push the long needle and knitting needle to the vertex of the elevation for transfer. Go back to the transfer action. The uppercut hurdle is responsible for letting the long needle to sink. In the second half of the sinking action, the density takes a role to help the needle to sink, till the long needle returns to the initial altitude. The transfer action is over for right knitting system in this row. The spring needle is pushed from A to B and up again from B to H. The number 2 spring needle receiving can bends it down to land at the position H, but soon pushed from H to A